Here is the perfect fusion of technology and efficiency, the GETTINGWIN factory. Next, let's take a detailed look at how the entire production process of an order is completed, step by step, with precision and excellence. Each order begins with the customer's requirements. We receive the Gerber files, BOM, bill of materials, list, and other relevant documents provided by the customer, and conduct a rigorous review to ensure all specifications are met. This initial stage is critical, as it sets the foundation for a seamless production process. First, we verify the completeness and accuracy of the BOM. This involves checking whether the BOM contains all necessary information, such as part numbers, component names, quantities, specifications, and supplier details. Any discrepancies or missing information are addressed immediately to avoid potential production delays or errors. Based on the verified BOM, we formulate a detailed procurement plan, ensuring that all required materials are sourced from reliable suppliers. This step not only ensures the accuracy of the BOM, but also enhances product manufacturability, ultimately saving costs and improving efficiency for our customers. Once the BOM is confirmed, we proceed to material preparation. Using advanced inventory management systems, we accurately prepare and allocate each component, ensuring that every part meets the required specifications. Automated material handling systems then transport these components to the production line with precision and efficiency, minimizing human error and maximizing productivity. The next step is solder paste printing, a crucial process that prepares the PCB, printed circuit board, for component placement. A stencil is used to apply solder paste to the designated areas of the PCB, ensuring that each pad is evenly coated. This step is vital for achieving strong and reliable solder joints during the subsequent reflow process. Following solder paste printing, high-speed pick-and-place machines take center stage. These state-of-the-art machines accurately mount surface mount components onto the PCB with micron-level precision. Equipped with advanced vision systems, they can handle components of various sizes and shapes, ensuring that each one is placed correctly according to the design specifications. This level of precision is critical for the functionality and reliability of the final product. After component placement, PCB undergoes reflow soldering. In this process, the assembly passes through a controlled heating environment, where the solder paste melts and forms solid electrical connections between the components and the PCB. The temperature profile is carefully optimized to prevent defects such as solder bridges or cold joints, ensuring the highest level of product reliability. Once soldering is complete, the PCB enters the AOI automated optical inspection stage. Here, advanced optical systems scan the board for any defects, such as misaligned components, insufficient solder, or solder bridges. Any issues detected are flagged for correction, ensuring that only flawless boards proceed to the next stage. This rigorous quality control step is essential for maintaining the integrity of the final product. After passing AOI, the PCB undergoes functional testing. This step involves simulating real-world operating conditions to verify that the product performs as intended. We test for electrical performance, signal integrity, and overall functionality to ensure that the product meets or exceeds customer expectations. Finally, the finished products are carefully packaged to protect them during transit. We use anti-static and shock-absorbing materials to safeguard the PCBs from damage, ensuring they arrive at the customer's location in perfect condition. From order receipt to delivery, every step of the process is meticulously planned and executed to achieve customer satisfaction. At GETTINGWIN, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality SMT surface mount technology assembly services. Our commitment to precision, efficiency, and quality ensures that every product we produce meets the highest standards. We look forward to collaborating with you and providing solutions that drive your success.